'cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do.
Hi Mahesh, how are you doing?
I am good. How about you?
I am fine too. How are you coping with Delhi population?
It's really trouble, especially in winter month. I recently bought at a population mask to migrate the effect of population. But you can't wear it all time. But what to do at home?
Air purifiers, don't they work well?
They do, but they aren't affordable for everyone. Moreover, would you want to run then for so many hours every day and so far many months?
You are very point. I am also planning to buy a population mask. What would be recommended?
I bought at 99 mask, which cost me just over in 2000. I was tired to cheap on as well. The ones that cost 15 to 20 rupees apix, but actually turn out of more expensive.
More expensive? How?
The cheap one can at best be used 2-3 times, where the one I'm using can be used for a few hundred hours. So the cost of cheap and one ad of the fast, but more importantly, the cheap one aren't as effectively at a 99. I'm using the filtering at the population. That's critical. Right. What are a point to using mask? It's not filtering the harmful population.
I agree. Anything else one population mask?
Prefer a mask with the inhalation values. Values help you exhale easily, especially when you are out of breath after walking the fast climbing star, and prevent build-up in moisture. We have been breathing the toxin for the last year. Do you foresee any abatement in population level in the future? Say this winter.
I think it will be marginal at the best. Vehicular population can be controlled by taking the fuel investment polluting old vehicles off the road. But will with happen? Who's going to will at a car control stubbing in the neighbor state? Construction activity probably the easiest of three control.
Oh, what population? From firecracker on Diwali?
There have been some restrictions on use firecracker at last in Delhi, but implementation is not easy. To be honest, I am not too worried about firecracker because the effect is only for a few days. I am worried about the month on month high level pollution arising out of their factors.
I agree with your points, but I think citizens to have some role in the curbing pollution. We can stop or report people for burning polythene bags and other hydrogens waste in the winter. We can also report construction activity in our neighborhood during the period it banned.
True, but we often don't pay attention to this fact that pollution, especially in winter month, is not just a Delhi phenomena. It grips most North Indian. In fact, the air quality index smaller cities such as Gwalior, Agra, and Lucknow, and often gets worse than Delhi, and they don't get some coverage in the national media as big cities such as Delhi do.
That's right, and population is exacting such heavy to all human life. I was reading in the newspaper the other day. The Indian has dubious restrictions on the most death because of pollution, and most of them attributes are to air pollution. In 2015, say staggering 2.5 plus million people died in India because of a pollution.
I too recall reading the newspaper that aqua in Delhi entered the satisfactory zones for the first time in several months during the rainy season. Things have to come such as pass that we have see relief when acquire the movies from very poor to poor category. Imagining satisfactory level once few months and that to be a grace in nature and acquire in good category seems to be a distant dream.
You summed stop affair quite well. Let's hope things improve.
Yeah, of course.
So thank you, Rohit, and nice to meet you, and bye bye.
Bye.